Hey guys, it's Tiffany
Chris, hello.
with the TCNG fam. How's everybody doing? Today we are back with another mukbang, and today we are doing a Burger King mukbang. Um, we got some Whoppers here, if you can see that. And we didn't want any fries or anything like that, so we just got a burger. And so yeah, got my water here, got some ranch, got some ketchup packets. So we are going to be just eating our Whoppers today with you while we have a little conversation. So how is everyone doing today? Unfortunately, I have some things to do, so this will be a really quick mukbang. So yeah, make sure you let us know what challenges you want to see us do, what things you want to see us eat, and we will try it out. So with further ado, I am going to start eating. Look at that. That's so good. Sometimes they put way too much onion. But really good. So, anyways, what's everyone doing today?
Hopefully, staying inside, be warm.
I don't know where everybody else is from, but where we're from in Ohio, it's cold right now outside and rainy. So if you're in Ohio, most likely you're trying to stay inside today because it's really cold outside. So yeah. So good. Make sure you like, subscribe to our channel, and share. Share. We would like to build up our channel and get as many followers as possible. And of course, the more followers, the more mukbangs we'll do, and the longer the videos will be. Right now, we have just a couple of videos uploaded, and we're hoping to do a lot more. We're also going to start vlogging sometime after summer and hit some spots when we go on vacation. So look forward to that. What is the best vacation spot do you think is the best vacation spot? Looking for ideas. We pretty much know where we want to go already. But more than likely, we're still taking ideas. We are planning on hitting the Carolinas because I want to hit Myrtle Beach. So if you know any great spots out there in Myrtle Beach, let us know. Comment down below.
We go somewhere warm. We'll have a nice double Whopper challenge. We'll see who wins.
Whopper challenge. Me and Gabriella did the double Whopper challenge, but that was actually our first mukbang, and for some reason it didn't upload. I don't know why, so I'm still trying to figure out a way how to post it, even though it's not the day we did it. So good.
Good, but very messy. Not as messy as the one we did before we talked about, but still messy.
If you're hungry today, go out and get a Whopper. Mm. Really good. The problem is with mukbangs is that I can't eat as much as you. And so if you guys do a challenge where you have to eat the most of something, I'm going to most likely say it's going to be him because I can't do it. I really can't eat that much. I try. I really do try. But I just get so full so fast and I just can't.
Not me. I have no problem with it.
But that's okay because we're a team, so whatever I can't do, he can pick up my slack.
That's right.
We'll still do the challenge no matter what. And I'll still try. I just don't know if I'll be able to do it all, but I'll still try. Mm. So good. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Come say hi. Since you just walked in the room.
Hello, guys.
This is Gabriella, TCNG fam.
No, don't. No. No, that's the right way to do it.
So yeah, let us know what you want us to eat. We want some ideas. I mean, besides your normal Burger King, McDonald's, Taco Bell, Wendy's, Arby's, you know, besides your normal restaurants, name something, you know, something else.
Maybe you guys could do like hot wing challenge. Who could eat the most hot wings?
That might be a good one because you already did it.
Yeah.
He already did a hot wing challenge in the summertime. They had this
Those
thing
pepper
up
wings.
in this event or whatever that they were having, and you had to sign a waiver to do the challenge because the wings are so hot, the sauce, that like they don't want to be responsible for you. So they actually make you sign the waiver, and he did it. And there's a backstory to this. He did the challenge. Okay, guys. This might be a little TMI, but. And right after the challenge, he had to use the restroom. Okay. Needless to say, is that he did not wash his hands first. So that was quite a burning experience. But he learned his lesson. So I don't think he'll ever do that again.
No.
Because he had just got done eating all the wings. You know, you wipe your hands with the napkins and everything. And he had to run to the bathroom because that's how hot the wings were that he had to go to the bathroom. And so, yeah, he didn't wash his hands first before he went to the bathroom.
And he had to drink my entire slushie just to try and cool down his
So,
mouth.
yeah. That was quite an experience.
Mm-hmm.
He can definitely eat the hot wings, but he didn't win the challenge because he wasn't the fast enough. There was somebody that was really fast. I mean, literally, they stuck the wing in their mouth like this, and they like clamped down with their teeth and was just like shoom and pulled out the bone. They must have had like a lot of experience doing that. Because that was just like really fast, really crazy.
Yeah, there's not just wasn't a couple people. There was a lot of people doing it at the same time.
Some people, I feel like they didn't even clean the bones and they still were like, got credit for it.
But,
Because you're supposed to clear all the meat off.
right.
And they didn't. Like, they just ate, but there was still meat on the bones.
Or another idea could be like a seafood boil with like the spicy sauce that I've seen before.
Now that one, she would win.
I don't know. I don't think so.
You like more seafood than I do.
I do,
Like crab
but it just
legs
depends.
and
Like, I
shrimp.
like crab legs, shrimp, lobster.
Excuse me. I need a dish.
But like, I like fish, but I don't like clams and snails and mussels and like all that like weird stuff. So yeah, I don't know about all that.
I mean, so they also have little pieces of corn on the cob that they put with it too, that they dip in the spicy sauce and eat it with the seafood.
That was very good.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm like really full. So that's a problem too. Like, even if you get like Whoppers with fries and stuff like that, 9 times out of 10 I eat my Whopper and then I don't want my fries because I'm already full. So then I have to give it to him.
Which is okay with me. It always works out well for me.
So, anyways, yeah, that was a great meal, and I'm glad we got to sit here and eat it and share it with you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share our channel. Help us to build our followers so that we can do more. And we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.